Hi everybody and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency analysis. It's your guy here, the altcoin doctor here, bringing you the latest cryptocurrency analysis on your favorite coins. And if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button, as we would be bringing you all the analysis on all your favorite cryptocurrency. As you can see right down, the coin of the day is Illuvium, right? And we are ranked currently on 213. We have a market cap of about $136 million with a 24-hour volume of about $10.59 million, right? We were down 17.4% for the month, down for the week 19.5% as we received a huge blow this week. Down for the day 2.7%. And without further ado, let us move to the chart and see what's next even for Illuvium, right? So this is the chart for Illuvium versus the USD Theta. We are on the daily time frame, and Binance is the data source, and as you can see drawn below is our support and resistance levels. And as you can see, Illuvium is one coin that really respects its levels, and as you can see right down, even from January, so a huge push even to the upside, and since then we have been wiggling even down. So currently you should be expecting to see Illuvium at a huge $47, right, as this could be just the last shakeout before we see a huge push even to the upside, right? So we could see a push down even to the $47 region, as we have a huge support at that range before we could entertain any kind of reversal. But for now, you should be expecting some kind of further push even to the downside for Illuvium on the medium to short term. As you can see, right, also some of our indicators are confirming that move, and as you can see, our oscillator steadily pushing even to the downside. As you can see, we love the oscillator because it's a leading indicator, which means it shows us what will happen and gives us a higher probability of what will happen next. And as you can see, we are steadily pushing even to the downside, even on the oscillator, right? The money flow, right, tells us what is happening behind the scenes, right? Is money is flowing into Illuvium, or money is leaving the Illuvium ecosystem. And as you can see right down here, since we got a huge divergence on the money flow, red divergence, which meant more money was leaving the ecosystem for Illuvium, and we're pushing even to the downside. As you can see, since then we have pushed a lot to the downside, and we are currently at the bottom even for Illuvium at the moment. We are at the end of the spectrum even for the money flow. So you see, there's really not much downside to go as regards Illuvium, as we are really oversold even on the money flow, and we probably should be expecting more money beginning to flow into the Illuvium ecosystem in the medium to long term. If we switch over to this chart, as you can see, this chart is on the weekly, and as you can see, we are at a huge weekly support, so we could expect some sort of push even to the upside for Illuvium. If we switch over to the 3 days, as you can see, we are at the end of the channel, right, and our channel is just expanding a bit, showing you that we have huge resistance or huge support at the $50 region. If we push over to the daily, as you can see right down, we are steadily pushing to the downside, which we have huge support even for Illuvium at the $50 range. If we bring up some of our indicators right here, as you can see, this is our oscillator, and our oscillator has done a very good job in spotting bottoms. As you can see, if you just bought every single time the oscillator was at the bottom, even for Illuvium, you would have always been in profit, right? So if you just bought the bottom and just sold the top, right, you will always be in profit. And as you can see right down, it was the bottom for Illuvium right down here, same thing was the bottom, and as you can see, see same thing was the top here, and as you can see, we are getting even to the bottom for the stochastic, right, meaning that we should begin to dollar cost average into our positions and be expecting a huge shift even to the upside, even for Illuvium on the medium to long term. Also, as you can see, our RSI very oversold even to the downside, and we should be expecting some sort of sideways action or even a huge push even to the upside for Illuvium in the medium to long term. If we switch over to this chart, right, this is the chart that our buy sell indicator, which shows us when price is bullish, right, that means we should buy, and when price is bearish, which means we should sell. And as you can see, right down, we were bearish right down even from the 14th or 18th of April, and as you can see, since then we have been steadily pushing down based on the altcoin doctors indicator. We have huge support at the $47 to $50 mark, as you can see, based on other charts, also, right, giving us a confirmation that we could probably see a reversal at that point in the chart. So that's what we're expecting for the price even of Illuvium. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a great